Loving students, now I want to discuss the problem of study material number 5 in NCERT book 8. Find the value of x for which y is equal to x into x minus 2 whole square is an increasing function. This question was asked in the board examination also. So try to understand how you solve. Given fx is equal to x into x minus 2 whole square, and it will be x square minus 2x whole square. Then f dash x is equal to twice x square minus 2x into 2x minus 2. The differentiation of x square is 2x and minus 2x is 2. Now it will be 2 into x square minus 2x, taking 2 common x minus 1. And it will be 4x square minus 2x x minus 1. To get intervals, we put f dash x is equal to 0. To get intervals, we put f dash x is equal to 0. And 4 into x square minus 2x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. And 4 is not equal to 0, but x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, which belongs to R. These are the points which we here locate on the number line. Minus infinity says 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. We put all the 3 points on the number line and divide the number line into subintervals. Now subintervals is minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. Now we want to make a table. Here subinterval minus infinity is 0. And now take a point between minus infinity to 0, that is minus 1. Test value of f dash at minus 1, minus 24. Sign of f dash negative. And conclusion f dash x less than 0. 0 to 1, take a point 0.5. F dash 0.5 is equal to 1.5. And it is positive. So f dash x greater than 0. Take a point, take a subinterval 1 to 2. Take a point 1.5. F dash 1.5 is minus 1.5. It is negative. So f dash x less than 0. And between 2 and infinity we take a point 3. F dash 3 is equal to 24. And sign is positive. And f dash x greater than 0. So my dear student, f is increasing on 0 to 1. Positive, the value of f dash x is positive, and 2 to infinity, value of f dash x is positive. So f is increasing 0 to 1 close interval union 2 to infinity. In this way we can solve this problem. I hope you have followed me. Now find the interval in which the following function fx 3 into x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 12x square plus 5 is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. My dear student, this is a polynomial of 4 degrees. So you first write the function fx is equal to 3 into x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 12x square and plus 5. Then f dash x is equal to 4 into 3x cube minus 4 into 3x square minus 12 into 2x is equal to 0. So f dash x is equal to 12x cube minus 12x square minus 24x square. So taking common 12x, we have x square minus x minus 2. And factorize it by splitting middle terms, we have 12x into x minus 2 into x plus 2. To get the intervals, we put f dash x is equal to 0. Not 12 into x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. But 12 is not equal to 0. So it will be x plus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. By putting x is equal to 0. x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Now we put all these points on the number line and find the subinterval. First subinterval is minus infinity to minus 1. Suppose testing point is minus 2. Test value f dash minus 2. Sign of the f dash x negative. So conclusion f dash x less than 0. Decreasing. Minus 1 to 0. Take a point 0.5. F dash 0.5 is 7.5 and sign is positive. F dash x greater than 0. Now in the interval between 0 to 2, take a point 1. F dash 1 is equal to minus 24. Sign is negative. So f dash x less than 0. And 2 to infinity, take a point 3. F dash 3 is equal to 144. This is positive. So f dash x greater than 0. So my dear student, here you should take a pen here and make a table. It will be helpful for you. It will be beneficial for you. And you will get the required intervals in which the function is decreasing or increasing. So my dear student, hence f is strictly increasing. So we here write open interval. Minus 1, 0. Union 2, infinity. And is strictly decreasing on. Minus infinity, minus 1. Union 0 to 2. So in this way, we can solve this problem. Now problem number 7. Determine the intervals in which the function fx is equal to x to the power 4 minus 8x square, 8x cube, plus 20x square minus 24x plus 21 is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Given fx is equal to x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 22x square minus 24x plus 21. So f dash x is equal to 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24. So my dear student, by taking common f dash x, 4 into x cube 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now, this is a polynomial of 3 degree. Question is, how will you find its factor? प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, जैसा कि हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारा बच्चा इसका फैक्टर भी नहीं निकाल सकता है. तो क्वेश्चन इज हाउ विल यू फैक्टराइज इट. पहला काम हम ये करेंगे, जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है उसका प्राइम फैक्टर निकाल लेंगे. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors. Are the factors of 6. So now put the value of x is equal to 1. All possible factors निकाल लीजिए. 1 is not prime number. So you find all possible factor of 6 and put each factor in the polynomial. And if the value of polynomial is 0, then you will get required factors. We put x is equal to 1. The value of this polynomial is 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, that is 0. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 12, 11 plus 1. So corresponding factor is x minus 1. Similarly, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Put x is equal to 2. We will get the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2 is 0. So corresponding factor is x minus 2. Now, by putting the value of x is equal to 3, we will get also polynomial at 3 is equal to 0. So required factors will be x minus 3. So f dash x can be written as 4 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. When f dash x is 0, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. But 4 is not equal to 0. So either x minus 1, 0, that is x is equal to 1. X minus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 2. X minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. What do you observe? We observe that we get subintervals minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to infinity. And check the sign here also. Subinterval is minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to infinity. Keep in your mind. In between minus infinity to 1, we take a point 0. F dash 0 is equal to minus 24. Sign is negative. So f dash x less than 0. 1, 2. We take a value 1.5. F dash 1.5 is 1.5. So f dash x greater than 0. Take a point 2.5 between 2 and 3. F dash 2.5 minus 1.5, since sign is negative. So f dash x less than 0. And between 3 and infinity we take 4. F dash 4 is equal to 24. Sign is positive. F dash x greater than 0. Hence, f is strictly increasing on open interval 1 to 2, union 3 to infinity, and strictly decreasing on minus infinity to 1, union 2 and 3, open interval. In this way, we can solve this problem. My dear student, now I want to solve a very important problem of the book of NCERT and serial number 8 of this study material. So that f is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. X greater than minus 1, this is important, is an increasing function of x throughout in domain. So my dear student, question is, this is also a board problem. How will you solve it? Now, fx is equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x, 2 plus x on minus 1 to infinity. So, f dash x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. At taking u v method, we have 2 plus x whole square. 2 plus x into 2 minus 2x plus 1. 2 plus x square. And leave this 2 plus x. And we find dy by dx of the 2x. So 2x dy by dx of 2x is 2 minus 2x plus 1. And what do we observe? We observe that it will be 1 by x minus 2x plus x square minus 2x, 2 plus x whole square. And it will be 1 by 1 plus x minus 4 by x plus 2 whole square. And it will be x plus 2 whole square minus 4 1 plus x. And divided by x plus 1 x2 whole square. So my dear student, now after solving this expression we have x square, x plus 1, x plus 2 whole square. Now to get intervals, we put f dash x is equal to 0. That is x square by x plus 1, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now you see. So, if the value of x belong to minus 1 to infinity, minus 1 to infinity, then what do we observe? We observe that x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Here in this problem it is given that the value of x greater than minus 1. Value of x greater than minus 1. So we take a interval from minus 1 to infinity and take a value 0. So what do we observe? Minus infinity to minus 1, one sub-interval, and 0 to infinity, and 0 to infinity, another interval. So we here take a value 1 between 0 to infinity. So it will be f dash 1 is equal to 1 by 18. So it is positive. So f dash x greater than 0. And now here minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. We take also a number minus half. And its value is f dash x greater than 0. So what do we observe? We observe that hence fx is increasing on minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, close interval, minus 1 to 0, close interval, and 0 to infinity, and close interval 0 to infinity. So my dear students, here fx is increasing, an increasing function of x throughout its domain. So it will be minus 1 to infinity. So it is increasing throughout the domain. Now we want to a very important problem. So that fx is equal to 2x plus cot inverse x plus log of root over 1 plus x square minus x is increasing on R. So this is very, very important because logarithmic function is here present. So first we write the function. Given function is equal to 2x cot inverse x plus log of root over 1 plus x square minus x. After differentiating we get 2 minus dy dx of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Now dy dx of log of root over 1 plus x square minus x. My dear student, here we differentiate it. It is on the standard form. Log of x is equal to 1 by x, and then we find dy dx of this expression. So now 2 minus 1 plus x square. And it is 1 by root over 1 plus x square minus x. It is for log. Then differentiate root over 1 plus x square minus x. It will be dy dx of root over 1 plus x square and dy dx of minus x. The dy dx of root over 1 plus x square is 2x by 2 root 1 plus x square minus dy dx x. And now after simplifying we have 2 minus 1 by 1 plus x square plus x by root over 1 plus x square minus 1. And that will be root over 1 plus x square minus x. 2 minus 1 plus x square. And after solving we have x minus root over 1 plus x square divided by root over 1 plus x square and divided by root over 1 plus x square minus x. What do you observe? If you take common minus, then it will be minus x root over 1 minus x square, and here is also x minus root over 1 plus x square. So x minus root over 1 plus x square by root plus 1 x square, and after taking reciprocal of this it will be x minus root over 1 plus x square, and both are equal, so it becomes cancel, and after simplifying we have 1 plus 2x square by 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus 2x square by 1 plus x square, and here 1 by root over 1 plus x square. Now we take LCM, that will be 1 plus x square, and it will be 1 plus 2x square minus root over 1 plus x square. So my dear student, f dash x is equal to 1 by 2x square minus root over 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. So f dash x, to find the intervals, we get f dash x is equal to 0. It will be 1 plus 2x square minus root over 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to 0. And it will be 1 plus 2x square minus root over 1 plus x square is equal to 0. And it will be 1 plus 2x square is equal to root over 1 plus x square. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides we have squaring both sides we have 1 plus 2x square whole square, and that is root over 1 plus x square. So it will be 1 plus 4x to the power 4 plus 4x square is equal to 1 plus x square. After transposing it, it will be 4x4 plus 3x square is equal to 0. Now taking common x square, 4x square plus 3 is equal to 0. But 4x square plus 3 is not equal to 0. So x square is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and it belongs to real number. So minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. So minus infinity to 0. Test point minus 1. And test value f dash minus 1. And the value of f dash minus 1 is here positive. So f dash x greater than 0. Test take here 0 to infinity के बीच में 1 point लिया. f dash 1 is equal to same 0.793, that is positive. F dash x also greater than 0. So hence f is increasing on minus infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. So that is r. So hence fx is increasing on r. So in this way we can solve this type of problem. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैंने पूरे एक्सरसाइज के सवाल को 2 भागों में बांटा है. एक भाग में हम पोलिनोमियल, दूसरा लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, इन सब के सवालों का एनसीईआरटी का डिस्कस किया, और बोर्ड का भी कुछ सवाल जो आया हुआ था पिछले दिनों उसका भी डिस्कस किया. आई होप यू हैव फॉलोड मी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. In next video, I will solve the problem involving trigonometrical function. Thank you very much.